Possible.
Possible.
Now this is really important for you because you're a landsman.
Gefilte.
Gefiltas.
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 Is this a Hakanichinik?
No, it says heavy.
Heavy.
Heavy. Can you make it out?
Matzah.
Matzah balls.
Matzah balls.
In.
See, the Z is actually backwards.
Oh, really? Matzah balls in.
Portuguese. Don't tell me. Pagetsus. Oh. Puget Sound.
That's it. Very good, very good. You got a couple lutefisk in there too.
Yeah.
That's probably a lutefisk. The others are gefiltas. That's the matzah balls.
Okay, now we got to try to read this. The Seattle Times, Wednesday. You can do it with no problem.
Downtown Seattle. Mayor, City Council call. Something for lunch.
Oh yeah, downtown Seattle.
Call out for lunch.
Out for lunch. Okay, so Mayor, City Council are out for lunch.
Call out for lunch.
But that's because you want to get them to make the pedestrians safer, and they're not doing it. They're out to lunch. He's on a campaign to get pedestrians prioritized in a city where it's nothing but cars. But you can see that.
So downtown, there's a Smith Tower building.
Right.
Monorail, Space Needle.
Oh, right here. Yeah.
Thank you, thank you.